Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 Active. So this car comes with DAB digital radio, it's got Bluetooth, air conditioning, a speed limiter, it's done under 17,000 miles and it's free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower. We provide it with 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.